Hello, hi friend, this is Rahul. Welcome to Reliable Immigration Guide. Today in this video, we're going to talk about a new nominee program which is just open for something different people of group of people, and this is for Nova Scotia nominee program. Express your interest into Nova Scotia Nova Scotia province. So once you show your interest and if you're eligible to get that all the requirements for whatever the Nova Scotia nominee program required, then they will, once you get the approval from Nova Scotia, you will get a 600 points, and then once you get the 600 points in express entry pool you should be in express entry already, so you will get a 600 bonus points. So anyhow you will be in and you will get the invitation for the PR. See what are the eligibility for the Nova Scotia nominee program, and which are those two categories where you can show your interest and you can get the nominee program and PR eventually. This program is only for two categories of people: those who come under NOC 7322 and NOC 7321. In NOC 7322 you can NOC 7322, that means motor vehicle body repairs or the technicians. So those who have that kind of education or experience, they need a 2 years of experience, or you can have a part-time experiences which is equivalent to 2 years in last 5 years. Those they can apply. And the another category is NOC 7321. So NOC 7321 is truck and bus repair and mechanics. So those who have a relative education and those who already are in express entry pool, they can show their interest as early as possible, because this program is up to only October 24th 2020. So you have to show your interest in Nova Scotia, because in Nova Scotia they are really looking for such talented people in their provinces, and then province is going to nominate you to get your permanent residency. So we will just roughly talk about what do you mean by NOC 7322, or what are the kinds of people or what are the kinds of designation you can have, and you can say, okay, I can fit into this NOC 7322 and I can show my interest in Nova Scotia nominee program. So for example, auto body technician, auto body repair, glass painter, automotive glass technician or automotive painter. These are the few examples. I'm going to put the link in the description where you can please have a look and go through with all the designation or what are the experiences they are looking for. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment box. And in NOC 7321, that means they are looking for bus and truck mechanical repairs. So in that, if you have any designations, automobile mechanic, automobile service technician, and then brake system mechanic or bus mechanic or etc. So now we will come to the point. What are the exact requirements for this program? So you need experience letter wherever you are working right now in any other countries. You should have a valid visa. You should have a 2 years of work experience in last 5 years. If you don't have a full-time 2 years of experience, but if you are doing something but you have a part-time experience which is equivalent to 2 years, you can apply. And you should have the reference letter from your employer, and that reference letter should contain whatever the nominee program, the Nova Scotia nominee program needs it. So I'm going to put the link how we should have the reference letter, and which is included in Nova Scotia application guide. In IELTS language requirement, you only need 5 bands. So CLB 5 bands you need it. There is proof of fund. If you are coming with you, or if you are coming with the family, you need to show your proof of fund, which is you can manageable, or you can show that. And then last part is fees. For this program there is no fees at all. So that's a bonus. So you can show your interest of expression through the express entry pool. Once you get the application approved from the Nova Scotia nominee program, you get 30 days to apply for the next procedure. And why I am doing hurry up, why I am saying hurry up, because this program is going to last up to only October 24th 2020, so only for 1 month. So thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned, and if you have any questions, please let me know in comment box. Thank you, and do not forget to subscribe our channel Reliable Immigration Guide. Thank you.